Here is such a nice and tricky exponential problem from SAT exam that a lot of students got wrong. If you want to solve this problem, please pause the video because I'm going to solve this problem right now. So 32 to the x plus y equals 16 to the x plus 2y. What is the value of x in terms of 2y? So 32 is 2 to the power of 5 times x plus y equals 2 to the power of 4, which is 16 times x plus 2y. The exponents, the bases are the same. Now we can say the exponents are equal as well. So let's just distribute the 5 into the bracket. So 5x plus 5y equals 4x plus 8y. So 5x minus 4x, it's just x equals 8y minus 5y, it is 3y. So this is the answer for the first part of the question, x in terms of y, so x equals 3y, right? So that's the answer. But the question has the second part, like a bonus challenge as well. So what if there was a second part of the question as 8 to the power of x minus y equals 4 to the power of 2y. So this is the second part of this problem. Now let's find out what is x, what is the exact value of x and y. So 8 is 2 to the 3 times x minus y equals 4 is 2 to the 2 to the power of 2 times 2y. Let's, so the bases are the same, the exponents are the same as well. 3x minus 3y equals 4y, so 3x equals 7y. But we found the value of x in terms of y in the first part of this practice or problem. So 3x, in terms of x, we can substitute 3y. So 3x times 3y equals 7y. So 9y equals 7y. Then y can just be 0 here. So y equals 0 and x is just 3y, or 3 times 0. X is also 0 in this case. And that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. And make sure to drop your thoughts and answers in the comments below. And don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, I love you guys, appreciate you guys, and see you on our next video. Prime Logic signing out.